did just try to get robbed though on the train.
Probably.
Oh.
Really, that happened a lot around here. Good morning everyone. Plan today is I'm just going to wait for him to wake up and we're going to give him a little haircut as a thank you for letting me stay here, and we're going to give him a transformation cut. I can't wait for it. And then after we've done that, we're going to head to New York. What's the plan for today? Cool, let's go.
Yeah, and you are the first person I'm hosting in this place.
Awesome.
Yeah, a lot of people don't come to New Haven.
It's definitely a spot to come and see, that's for sure. You've got the university here, so
that's true. Yeah, you are the first. Yeah, you are the first request someone sent.
So I'm glad, man.
Yeah, it's usually like people who travel to Europe. I think they are the ones who use couchsurfing more, like from Europe.
Yeah.
Because even in India, when I was hosted by these couchsurfers,
yeah,
they would mention that most of the people were from Europe. Not
you
sure
find that you don't really get Americans that come to
at least in India, yeah. At least in India. Yeah, I was due a haircut, especially because my university is setting up a headshot, so professional headshot.
Okay, so this is good timing then,
This
right?
is perfect timing.
Great, man. It's already looking great.
Like I was saying, right? So all my siblings are here, and my parents are in Nepal. So we haven't been together, like the entire family, at one place at one time in the last 10 years.
Oh wow.
Just because someone is somewhere else, like
You're always
You're
always trying to figure out where someone is to be able to get to them.
Yeah. I mean, it's just like it's very difficult to like bring everyone together at the same time.
Yeah, no, I can imagine.
Yeah.
It must be quite frustrating, right?
Yeah.
You feel, bro?
I feel great. I haven't looked at it yet, but I'm excited.
Good stuff.
Oh my god, dude, I love it. I love it.
Yeah?
I love it. Especially the beard, man.
The beard fade, yeah?
Yeah.
So something sleek, professional, it's not too short on top.
Yeah.
Enough when you get out of the shower. And then you'll see a little bit of product in your hair will be great, but and then once you get out of the shower, if it needs a little bit more adjusting, we can adjust it quickly.
Yeah.
You like it, yeah?
Yeah, I do. Thanks,
Good stuff, man. Bro, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for having me.
I just followed you on Insta as well last night.
Great,
so
man. I appreciate it.
Let's see how it goes.
Awesome, yeah. Have a good day at school, Terry. Lovely to meet you. If you're ever in London, please let me know.
Of course, yeah, for sure.
Awesome,
Take care,
man. See you later. What a lovely, lovely guy, man. All right, so let's get to the station and let's get to New York. We have arrived in New York City, Grand Central Station. Found somewhere to sleep tonight. I met someone on couch surfing, and then I'm staying with a friend of a friend for the weekend. But there's loads of good stuff to do in New York, food places, restaurants. So we're going to see the best plan of action moving forward. I'm very interested to see what New York is like, because I haven't been here in a very, very long time. So I'm basically just going to head towards a hotel. I also need to see if I can use the spa area, because I'm not able to go to my couch surfing place until 6:30 tonight. But I'm so excited to be in New York. So the hotel is about an 8-minute walk down the road. So I'm going to head that direction now and go from there. I forget how busy this city is. It's like London. Cars everywhere, traffic, loads of restaurants. It's good to be back in the city. It's right there.
You were strong man.
Okay, Okay, so slight problem. They don't have a pool area here, which is not ideal, but we're gonna have a look, see if I can find one. Right, so now that I've dropped off my bag in a hotel, I should probably remember which one it is so I can come grab it later. New York has so much to offer. I'm not gonna be doing any haircuts today, but that's something for tomorrow once I've sort of rested myself a little bit. It's a beautiful day out today. It's not often that I get to come to New York and it's warm, unless it's in the summer. So I'm going to make full advantage and we're going to have a little exploring. There's the Natural History Museum, which I wanted to go to, but it's permanently closed because of COVID. Who doesn't want to go to Times Square? We've also got the 9/11 Memorial Centre that we can go past. There's so much to do in New York. It's like coming to London City. You're never going to find nothing to do, which is awesome. But there are two food spots in Harlem that I'm desperate to go to, and one of them is called Sylvia's, which is like fried chicken, and New York is known for its fried chicken. So that's the first place that we're going to head to now. So I'm going to get the underground and make my way there now. Harlem Station.
Harlem where?
I'm going to this place called Red Rooster. It's basically...
Okay, Red Rooster, straight ahead.
Yeah, Sylvia's a Red Rooster.
Red Rooster is not expensive, but I think Sylvia's is better.
And cheaper.
Yeah, but you should go across the street.
Yeah.
That's where you see the bad bitches.
Bad bitches,
Yeah, the hooping spot, you know. Like,
yeah, I play
music and shit.
Drop me a message on Insta and then I'll follow you.
I'm gonna race you right now and shit.
So we made it to Harlem. We're going to Red Roosters or Sylvia's. I haven't decided yet. This is definitely a good food spot for sure. Alright, do you still do the hot honey yardbird?
Yes, we sell it by the piece.
Oh, cool.
So do you want to place an order to go?
No, can I eat here?
Yes, it's a vaccination card.
So I've been waiting to come to this restaurant for 3 years, so I'm so excited to be eating. What pieces would you recommend?
But do you like white or dark?
I like dark meat.
The thigh for sure.
Yeah.
And the leg.
Fine leg. You think that'd be enough? Like,
Yeah.
yeah?
Unless you have a crazy appetite.
I'm pretty hungry, yeah.
I think you'll be good. You want to do a side?
What size would you recommend?
People like the mac and greens.
Yeah.
The garlic mash, fries, my favorite, or the roasted asparagus.
Let's do the fries. I did just try to get robbed though on the train.
Probably.
Really, that happened a lot around here.
No, but when people, I don't know what was going on there, they tried to rob you.
Yeah, my camera.
Yeah, when you are in New York,
Yeah.
don't be out.
Yeah.
Have it, it's yours, but don't be like willy-nilly with it. Don't be doing this and be on your phone because you look vulnerable.
Yeah.
So what'd you say?
I was on the train with loads of people. I laughed at him. I was just off.
What did he say?
He was trying to take it off me, and I just sort of like judged him out of the way, and then someone got involved. It wasn't a big deal.
I mean, because people are kind.
Yeah.
New Yorkers will not let people get played.
Yeah.
So good for you.
I'm going for a chip first. Super soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside. Let's try this chicken. I'm gonna go with my hands. The chicken is just so crunchy. And the inside is so soft. Unbelievable. The skin's like a plate of armor for the chicken. It's super crunchy. That was a very good meal, but I'm not sure how I feel about paying $9 for French fries when the chicken was $5. Right, so I would say the Red Rooster is definitely a good spot. Right, so my plan now, I want to do some trims in some cool places, but I need to be a bit conscious about where I do it just to make sure that it's safe, because I don't particularly want to get my stuff robbed. As much as New York City is a cool place, I have to be conscious of the crime and stuff that goes on now. And I thought, what better way to go than to go to like a fire station or a police station and do some trims there. So, is this a fire department?
Yes.
Do any of them want a free haircut?
I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Would you want to ask for me?
I'll ask.
that all right?
Hold on.
It's free, man.
All right. Well, no, buddy. Sorry.
None of them?
They're all good.
They're all good. All right, cool.
Appreciate it, though. Thank you.
Thanks, man. Right, so no luck with the first fire station. We're off to another one.
whole thing is if you want to put anything on the internet or YouTube, you have to go through Petrotech. And
So I can't film you guys and give you guys free haircuts.
sorry about that.
Alright, cool man. Thank you, have a nice day. So same problem as Grand Central Station. The fire department and the police department say that I have to go through the administrators to be able to cut their hair, which seems ridiculous when it's free. It's fine. I'm gonna make my way to Central Park, set up a chair there, and see if we can cut someone's hair. Alright, I've made it to Central Park. I'm gonna find out a cool place to bop up, hopefully give someone a free haircut. And I've been blessed with the weather today, because New York, literally, not even a week ago, it was absolutely snowing, it's freezing cold. Hopefully we'll make a good one out of today. So I'm gonna set myself up in Central Park, see if I can find a trim here. Excuse me, bro. By any chance, would you like a free haircut?
Free haircut?
Free haircut.
Oh, I think I'm good, thank you though.
Alright man, no worries. Excuse me, bro. Could I interest you in a free haircut by any chance?
No, thank you.
Cool, have a nice day, yeah? I'm not having the best of luck right now. I thought I'd pick a place that's sort of quite busy, which it is. But I haven't been able to interest anyone in a free haircut yet. But we'll keep trying. Excuse me, bro. Could I interest you in a free haircut by any chance?
No, I'm alright.
Cool, thank you. Have a nice one, yeah? Excuse me, guys. Could I offer either of you in a free haircut? Cool, thank you. Excuse me, guys. Yeah?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, cool, man. Thank you. What's good, bro? Could I offer you a free haircut by any chance? What? A free haircut.
Free haircut?
Free haircut, right here, man.
Are you sure it's free?
One, swear on my mother's life. I'm gonna film it. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah? Thank you for trusting me, man. My name's Joel. Wicked. Tell me a little bit about yourself, man. What you like with your hair, what you don't. Talk to me. What's your name?
Omid.
Omir, yeah?
Yeah.
And what do you like about your hair, man?
Like yourself.
You want to fade like me, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool, bro. What's it like? Where you're from? How is it? Iran?
Good.
Yeah? Head straight for me?
Very good.
This way?
The people, good.
Yeah? It's not like what they show on the media, no?
Yeah, absolutely.
You have to go to a place to really see it, right?
Yeah.
What else about New York do you like?
The people is good.
Yeah?
People and the job.
Have you got a job here?
Maybe after graduating, maybe I work here.
Maybe after.
Yeah, maybe.
It depends on what, if you can get a job?
Yeah.
Nice little taper.
Yeah.
Very smart, professional, beard all lined up. Thank you for putting your trust in me, man.
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you. Good luck with your uni course, yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, bro.
Have a good day. Thank you very much.
So we got a trim in Grand Central Park. Smashed it. He was a really, really awesome guy, and it came out as a wicked taper. Time now's 4 o'clock. Still got about 2 hours until I can get to my couch surfing place. So I'm gonna make my way to a hotel, get some work done, and then go meet this guy that let me stay at him on couch surfing for the night. I'm in Brooklyn now. I'm near where the couch surfing guy is. It's not ideally safe right now, so I'm gonna put the camera away just so I'm not a target and find somewhere where I can stop and do some work. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.